Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda CRF125 Youth Trail Bike. Beautiful showroom condition. Only $31.99. Saved a lot of money off of freight and setup. This thing is in great shape, brand new battery. Just checked out in service. He's ready to go. Make your youth dirt bike dreams come true with this gorgeous 125. We got financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.